How to install the custom plugin inside your FL Studio. It is too much easy and simple to install the custom plugin inside FL Studio. So guys, if you are also trying to install a custom plugin for your FL Studio, then this is the right video for you. So after watching this video until the last, you will be also able to install the custom plugin for your FL Studio. Okay guys? So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. Okay guys? So after watching this video until the last, you will understand about the plugins which is available inside the FL Studio. Okay, and if you are a music producer or if you are trying to install the custom plugin, then this video will help you. Just you have to watch this video until the last. Okay guys, so without any delay, let's start to install our custom plugin inside our FL Studio. So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So now you can see here, this is my computer screen and I'm using the FL Studio. Okay guys, so today I'll teach you how to install the plugins from the custom plugins, custom VST plugins for your FL Studio. It is too much easy. So if you want to add the custom VST plugins for your FL Studio, so first of all, you have to go in the option, then you have to click in the manage plugins. Okay guys, so now I can see here, so there are different kind of plugins available. So first of all, you have to click in the add folder. Okay, so now you can see here, so this is my folder. So from here you have to first of all you can download your favorite VST plugins. Then after that, so now you can see here, so this is my folder where I have, oh my god, sorry, just wait for a moment, so I can delete this one from here. So again I'm choosing that one. Okay, so inside the download, so maybe I have a folder. Okay, so now you can see, so this is the VSCO2 fluid plugin. So I'm installing the fluid plugin for my FL Studio because there is no fluid plugin inside my FL Studio, so that's why I'm installing this custom plugin. So after that, just you have to choose this one, then just click OK. Now you can see the folder came here, the folder directory. Then after that, in the top you have to click in the find plugin. Okay, so now you can see here it's completed. So after scanning completed, so now you can see here, maybe in the bottom side, yeah, now you can see, so there is the plugins available, VSS CO2 fluid plugins already installed here. Okay, so again I'm installing another plugins, so I'm just going here. So maybe I download okay, so Lua Alter Fluid, so another also new plugins available. So for this one, so I'm just going here and okay, then I have to, oh my god, what's happening here, so I need to choose that one. Yeah, now you can see it. So here is the folders plugin available. Okay, so I want to install this custom plugin. So after that, just I'm choosing that folder and click in the OK. Then again you will have to click in the find plugin. So now you can see here, so it is scanning and it's telling that 119 plugins available. Before there was only 118 plugins available, right? So that's why, so now you can see here 119 plugins available. So maybe here is new plugins already available inside here. Okay, so just wait for a moment guys, maybe few. Okay, so maybe, so I'm just closing this one. Then after that, if I click here inside the plugin, so now we can see it. So here is a new plugins available. So that is the Loa Altitude. Okay, so I recently installed these VST plugins for my FL Studio. So using this technique, you can easily install this kind of plugins. So for example, if I want to uh, use this one, so I'm just going here and I'm just using this one. Okay, so now you can see it. Yeah, maybe my plugin will start to work. So for example, if I use this one before I install this one, right, VST root. So I'm just using this one. So now you can see here. So this is my first plugin which is I install in FL Studio. So using this technique, you can also install VST plugin inside your FL Studio. That's it.
Hoping that you get few ideas about the custom plugins, and if you have still any kind of confusion about the installation of custom plugin in FL Studio, then let me know in the comment sections. And if you have any kind of queries or if you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment sections. I will try to give answer of your each question as possible, and share this video to among the people who are trying to install their custom plugin as their requirement, and it will help them and it will help me also. So that's why don't hesitate to share this video. Okay, it will give me some support. Okay, and please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.